Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video of Android application series, we are going to be talking about the top and best Android applications. So the best Android application we are going to be talking about today is Comet In. It's the best Android application. It will enhance your phone's productivity, and there are so many features in this application. If you are using an Android device, then this application is a must-have Android application for you. So let's see how it works. Then I will tell you from where you can get this application. So first of all, open this application, and there are 13 modules in this application. Like you can say that there are 13 features in this application. So if you want to perform these features separately, then you'll have to install 13 applications from Play Store. So you can just perform all features in this application, in this single application. So if we look at some modules of this application, like you can see that you can rotate your screen by 180 degree or 90 degrees or 270 degrees, and you can just use your device in any side. So if I show you by enabling this feature, okay, now as you can see that, okay, so now I'm using this in 90 degrees, and if I turn this to 180 degree, okay, so I can use in 180 degree, and I can use in 270 degree as well. Okay, so it's a great feature of this application. I can use my mobile in any angle. So I will disable this feature, and I will show you some other good modules of this application. Okay, browse all modules, and there is a module called Ambient Display, and there's a module called App Lockers. So you can lock all applications using a passcode, pattern, or your fingerprint using this feature, and you can better rotation is what I have shown you. And caffeine, like it's a great feature of this application. Keep your screen awake for a while or lock your phone after a while. So it's a great feature of this application, and you can just synchronize your notifications to your PC. And okay, here's another thing, darker brightness. Is your screen too bright at night or in the cinema? No problem, this module makes your screen darker than ever. So using this feature, you can just make your screen darker than your default brightness. Okay, so there are so many other modules or features. Like you can see that parallel, you can just create a second or duplicate of your application, any other application like WhatsApp, Instagram, for your other account. And here's a pocket mode. In this mode, you can just prevent accidental touches when your device is in your pocket with pocket mode. And there are so many other modules in this application. So you can just install like here you can just install a feature, and then you can use this application, these features, using this application. So now I will tell you from where you can get this application. So you'll have to open Play Store first, and then you'll have to write Comet In. Okay, now we'll have to install this application, and this is the great application. You can just join a beta version of this application, and there are great features in this application. So you'll have to open this, and then you'll have to allow some access to this application. Then you can just use all the features of this application by just installing the feature of this application. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.